Gathering reviews from all over the internet, we've created a comprehensive look at the funny positive crochet duck with stand by Yiluan. This quirky and delightful crochet duck has captured the hearts of many with its unique design, emotional support vibes, and versatility as a gift or decoration. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Now, let's dive into what users love and dislike about this product. The funny positive crochet duck is a perfect example of how small, handcrafted items can bring joy and positivity to everyday life. Crafted with care, this crochet duck features a cowboy hat, a tiny stand to keep it upright, and a positive sign that adds an extra layer of charm. Users have consistently praised its adorable appearance and thoughtful design. The cowboy hat is a standout feature that gives the duck personality, making it more than just a decorative item. It becomes a conversation starter and a mood booster. One reviewer shared how they place the duck in their workroom to remind them of their friends' love and support every morning. This emotional connection highlights the product's ability to uplift spirits and bring smiles to people's faces. Another user mentioned how well made the duck is, noting its soft texture and perfect size for nuzzling. It's not just cute, it's durable and crafted with attention to detail. The stand ensures that the duck remains upright, adding